G'day guys, welcome back. I've got a bit of a messy workbench here because I've just done a Dutch pour, a Starburst, like Molly did the other day. And I still had some paints left. So if you saw the previous one, where I did the black in the middle with the sort of greens and blues and that pewter. See, I've still got a tiny bit of paint left. So I thought I'm just going to go with another one. So yeah, same thing. I did thin my black out this time, added a little bit more water to what I had left. So just paint and water. The black and the white is the Amsterdam. So with the white, I did 30 grams of paint and 20 grams of water. With the black, I had to do 30 grams of paint and 30 grams of water. It seems to be thicker than the white. So even though they're the same brand, you'll find that each color is a bit different. So you just have to adjust so that you get the same consistency. Now in the extreme Sheen, I've got these guys. This was the one I had left over. It's empty now, pewter. And I had this one as well, sapphire. No, this one, aquamarine. I made this one up earlier today, sapphire. So I thought I might as well throw a bit of that in. I was wondering if maybe I didn't use quite enough paint with the previous one, because I really had to stretch it out and it became kind of muddy. So maybe I need a bit more. The blue, I've added a bit of black to it, so it's a bit more navy. And it is the phthalo blue with a tiny bit of the black. So let's get going, shall we? And see what we can create. I think I'm going to make my rings a bit smaller. Well, like, yeah, less paint, because as they stretch out, they get wider anyway. So I'm going to do more rings, but thinner. Let's start with the black. Still got some left. And then I like the way the black and the pewter work together. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put that just on the inside of the black, kind of on the edge. They're kind of mixed into each other. Then I want to put the blue, like so, and then some white, and then we'll go with this aquamarine, and then the white again, and then I think I'll go with some more of the navy, a bit off center, aren't I? And then we'll go with this blue, yummy bright blue. And how about we go with a little bit, I haven't got much left of this, but let's just drizzle a little bit in there. Use it all up. And then some more white. Why am I so crooked? So yeah, I'm not sure how much paint I should be using for this size canvas. We'll see. I mean, this is a lot more paint, so maybe you need more so that it can, you know, stretch out a little bit better. Now let's use up the rest of this aquamarine. I feel as if I kind of need to tilt it to bring it back to the center. It's good that I got 2 pours out of the amount of paint that I made up initially. I just had to add, I had to make up some more white, and I had to make up some more navy. And I did my sides today as well. And you know how I did it? I dipped my finger in there, in the paint, and I just wiped the sides. It was so much easier than getting the paintbrush out. It was fun too, a bit of finger painting. So that's what I did for the sides. Just in case this turns out really nicely and I want to keep it. I've got the sides done. Righto. I think I might try and blow it a little bit more gently this time as well. Oh, look, I don't know. You know, when you spur of the moment and you're actually doing it with the hair dryer, it just sort of, I don't know that I can control it. Anyway, we'll see. We shall see what happens. Actually, I'll get rid of all of these. There we go. Because they're empty. Wipe my hands. Maybe this is too strong. Let's try and... Last time I went pretty much down and just pushed it across. Let's try and go across the surface this time. I'm going to hold the hairdryer upside down so it just kind of floats across the top. The black floats across the top. Kind of like what I would do with a swipe, because I just like the black to skim over the top. So let's see if that works, okay? Just on low, on cold. It's still quite muddy though. I don't know, you guys. Maybe it's just not my thing. Hey, not my thing. All right, I'm going to go with a little bit more pressure this time because I don't like that. I'm liking these colours though. I do have to turn it around because I like to blow it away from me. I felt like there was a little bit too much paint there on the side. Like you could see it pooling. Look at it. Oh, it's so pretty. Again, the big black hole in the center. Oh, I didn't put much black on though, did I? All right, now I really need to reduce the amount of black. But oh my gosh. Look at that. Wowzers. I'm so tempted to put a little color in there and just like do little swipes, but I might ruin it. Hey, let's torch. Let's see if I can get anything else to come up in the center. I love the outside. I just wish I didn't have such a big black hole in the middle. That aquamarine, it was thinner. It was thinner than the other colors. I had to do equal parts of that to water instead of, what did I say? Where was it? 20 and 10, I did 30. Sorry, I did 30 grams of that and 10 grams of water because it was much thinner. Oh, it's really pretty and shiny and shimmery. Oh, I wish I don't know, I'm so tempted to do something in the middle there, but I don't have any paint left. I'm tempted. I won't. Maybe I'll do it off camera. Like a little bit of aquamarine and then just swipe. Oh, what have I got? Look, there's a tiny little bit left. I'm going to see what I've got. Hopefully I don't ruin it. So do a little bit of that. Have I got any white left? Put all my cups together. Shoot fly. Tiny bit of that. Tiny bit of that. That looks like a monster looking at me. Don't look at me like that. I'm just gonna try something. Oh, where's my little tiny blower? I wonder if it still works. I think the batteries are flat. The batteries are flat. Let me grab another one. See if I've got one that's got a little bit more oomph to it. I think they're all flat. Oh, that one sounds as if it's got a little bit more go in it. My little barbecue fan. It doesn't really have enough power. I need something with a little bit more power. I'll just keep spreading it out. It's basically just blowing cold air. Not strong enough. Right, what about my hairdryer? Just a tiny bit. Tiny bit. So it's very strong, this hairdryer. Whoa! See, it's blowing over here. Let me go and grab a straw. Stay there. Oh, I can't put you on pause. I bought these chunky straws because when you go to the movies these days, they give you a paper straw, and it's no good with a frozen Coke. It's just not. All right, let me see if I can do this. Oh, look! It's doing things. I still want a bit of black in the center. I've got my glove mark on. Talking to you with a straw in my mouth. Oh God. Dropped it. I don't think it damaged anything. Alright, here we go. Oh, necessity is the mother of invention. Here we go. Okay. Yay! I did it! I did it! Would have looked nice with some of the blue in there. Woohoo! I got rid of my black hole. I got rid of my black hole. Woohoo! I hope my big head wasn't in the middle of the screen then. Sorry if it was. Alrighty. Oh, that is so much better. Just needed a little bit of the blue. I should have put a bit of the blue in there, because I've only got like one ring of blue, and then I've got like 2 rings of the aquamarine, but that's okay. Let's go and have a look. Let's go and see. Let's go and have a look. Come around. Alrighty. Well, that black was a much better consistency. Hang on, I'm going to turn off my ring light. I forgot to do it when I was around there. Okay. I still don't like the colouring. Hang on, let me turn my other light off. That's better. Bit of natural light, hey? So we've got... Oh, I don't know where to start looking. I don't know where to start. It's really pretty. Haven't got a lot of block colour. There's like there's a lot of lacing, not a lot of block colour. But you can see how the black has crept to the sides on this one. You know, on my other one, the black didn't really move across at all. Look at that lacing. It's so pretty. Look, it's nowhere near like a traditional Dutch pour, because I don't think you get so much in the way of of lacing. I think you get more like block colours with a little bit of lacing. There's the centre. I think I saved it. Looks a little bit muddy, but that's it's not the true colour. That's the pewter. It doesn't actually look brown though. It's just the light glaring on it. It's more of a grey, but I can't pick up the proper colour. Just looks more brown. But yeah, it is grey. So what do you think? Do you like my save in the middle? It's like a bushy atoll, isn't it? Like coral. Maybe there's a little island and there's like all that coral reef around it. Do you reckon? I just wish I had some more blue in the middle. It's really pretty. So pretty. I'm glad I did the sides. Let's look at the sides. The paint's run down the sides. It looks really pretty. And we've got lacing down there. It's a bit glary. The sun's coming in through the window. Now, favourite little area. Oh, I love this corner with the black. I love this corner here. Look at that. Oh, and I love this corner. Why is it I love the corners? So this worked better. I put more paint on, so it definitely helped. I made the black thinner, so that definitely helped as well. So yeah, hopefully you guys have got something out of this. I sure did. Learned a lot along the way. And thanks for watching again. I'm going to go and do something a bit different now. Different from a Dutch pour anyway. And I'll see you all tomorrow for another video. Thanks so much for watching. Love you all. Bye for now.